Hello friends, every step I'm about to show you has been verified by professional mechanics, so relax, we're going to fix this. If you're seeing the message, front camera sensor system malfunction on your Mazda, take a breath. It's not the end of the world and it doesn't mean your car has gone crazy. This warning is actually pretty common, and according to specialized mechanics, it usually has a simple cause behind it. To start, the front camera is the one responsible for reading the road, lane markings, cars ahead, pedestrians, traffic signs. Basically, it's the eyes of the driver assist system. When your car throws this message, what it's really saying is, "Hey, I'm not seeing things clearly. Help me out a bit." Now, one of the most common reasons, and this is something mechanics agree on, is something as simple as dirt or moisture on the windshield right where the camera sits. Dust, grease, dried rain, ice, mud, or even worn-out windshield wipers can confuse the camera. A lot of people clean the glass but forget that specific area, and that's where the trouble starts. Building on that, another very common cause is sudden changes in lighting. For example, coming out of a tunnel, driving straight into the sun, heavy fog, or a strong rainstorm. In those situations, the camera basically says, "I can't see clearly right now, I'm taking a break." And yes, sometimes the warning disappears on its own once conditions improve. Now, something many drivers and mechanics mention is that this message often appears after replacing the windshield. Believe it or not, if the glass isn't original or wasn't calibrated correctly, the camera can sit slightly out of position. The car can't properly interpret what it sees, so it throws the error. It's not broken, it's just confused. Another very common situation is after disconnecting the battery or doing electrical work. Sometimes the system gets out of sync and needs recalibration. That's why some mechanics simply scan the car, reset the system, and boom, everything goes back to normal. And don't forget this part, weather plays a role too. Extreme cold, intense heat, or high humidity can temporarily affect the sensor. A lot of people say the warning shows up in the morning and disappears after driving for a few minutes. That's not magic. It's just the system stabilizing again. Now, if after cleaning the windshield, driving for a bit, and resetting the system, the message still won't go away, then yes, it could be something more serious. Maybe a misaligned camera, a damaged wire, or a failing module. At that point, mechanics recommend scanning the vehicle to get the exact fault code and decide whether calibration or replacement is needed. One last important thing. This warning does not mean your car is unsafe to drive. It just means driver assist features like lane keep assist or automatic braking may be temporarily disabled. You can still drive normally, just without those electronic helpers.